In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture on Zoho Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to fine-tune your photo so it looks great wherever your Zoho account appears. First, open your web browser and head to the Zoho Mail homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to update. If you use multiple Zoho accounts, double-check you're in the correct inbox before proceeding. Once the inbox loads, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your current profile picture or a placeholder icon in that spot. Go ahead and click that profile icon to open your account menu. In the menu that appears, choose My Account. This takes you out of the inbox and over to your Zoho Accounts dashboard, where your personal profile settings live. It may open in the same tab or a new one depending on your browser, but either way, you'll be on a page that shows your account details and profile information. On your profile page, locate your current profile picture area. Click directly on the picture or the placeholder image. This action opens the uploader so you can pick a new photo from your device. You'll see your computer's file picker window pop up. Navigate through your folders to find the image you want to use. For the best results, choose a clear, well-lit image with your face centered. Square or nearly square photos tend to crop the most cleanly. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well, and a moderate file size will upload faster. Select the photo and it will load into Zoho's editor. You'll now see a cropping frame over your image. Click and drag to reposition the frame so the focus is on your face or the subject you want displayed. You can also drag the corners of the frame to resize it. Aim to keep your eyes roughly in the top third of the crop and leave a bit of space around your head and shoulders so nothing gets cut off in circular thumbnails. If a zoom slider appears, use it to fine-tune the size. Take a moment to check the preview so you're confident it looks crisp and centered. Before you save, look for the visibility control labeled Who Can View Your Profile Picture. Click the drop-down menu to choose who should be able to see your photo. Selecting Zoho users is a good default if you want people across Zoho's services who interact with you to recognize your account. If you prefer a more private setup, pick a more limited option. If you want broader recognition, choose a more public option. The key is to match the visibility to how you use your account. Professional users often prefer settings that allow teammates and contacts to see the photo, while personal users may choose something more restricted. After you've chosen the visibility that fits your needs, confirm the change by clicking Update. Zoho will apply the new image and your settings. You should see your refreshed photo appear on your profile page and, shortly after, in the top right corner of Zoho Mail. If you don't see it immediately in your inbox, try a quick refresh of the page. Keep in mind, it can take a moment to sync across all Zoho apps. That's all there is to it. You opened Zoho Mail, accessed My Account, clicked your profile picture, selected a new image from your folders, adjusted the crop, set who can view it, and saved your changes. As a final tip, pick a photo that represents you well. Good lighting, a neutral background, and a friendly, professional expression go a long way. If you ever change roles or want a seasonal update, just repeat these same steps. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated Zoho Mail profile.